I'm moving towards Himadri Chowk. This road is leading from Dehradun to Panchkula. The 2 kilometer stretch of this road was built 9 years ago. Otherwise, its construction was already completed about 10 years ago. You can see a lot of ecological destruction is going on. Many people are burning forest. Some monkeys are sitting here. The road beneath me is very dangerous because it has a lot of breaks open towards the rainwater drains where water gets harvested through conventional slots on the roads, which are later renamed as the great facilitators of irrigation. But they are very harmful for the suspension of foreign-made car brands whose parts are not easily available here, but a vicious cycle has been created. And more service stations are being involved through different kind of collaborations. Yamaha is also launching Ferrari NX model. People are more tempting towards the scooters and scooty nowadays because the bulky battery gets hidden in the beautiful molded shiny colored compartment. They assume that new technology of compact alternate fuel has been developed in India. Many times I used to broadcast while riding cars, but a lot of beautiful environment and the green lungs of night city gets hidden, but it will not remain for longer duration. They are in a continuous and rapid process of destroying them. We will not find any kind of healthy air in about 1.5 years around the city, and that is a kind of feel good factor which they are finding unknowingly of the trap and hospital business, which will ultimately gain through their deterioration of health in many different forms which could never be assumed till now. Even now the color of the clouds is becoming slightly darker. They have spreaded a kind of a fear among people that mining business are directly connected with gangsters, and if anyone will try to hamper ongoing processes, it will be against nationality and economic development of the country, as if precious metals are being extracted, but in reality different kind of construction companies are getting more and more approvals through corrupt Indians until a new apartment gets completion, they used to promote as any kind of public transport development or metro plans through similar colors of Delhi Metro or Kolkata tram, because people don't have any time to come out of their cars and peek into different structures and try to find the real process or plans. Moreover, the workers and employees are never informed about the projects, and the mastermind never gets exposed. I will try to replenish about 12 grams of protein by consuming boiled hen eggs from the same place, which leads to Morni Hills. Opposite a small temple, and near that overbridge. Let's switch on the cycle light. At least monkeys can be seen from a distance. And I will become cautious and alert. So that wildlife reservation road sign was erected about 35 years ago. I don't find any technical problem in this wire mesh which is protecting the environment from past 40 years, but just because of light green color and a lot of theft among internal officials, resulting in these kind of trespassing and stealing of hard-earned public property. You can say that how people trespass these areas and develop small rooms and makeshift shelters where they hide notorious drugs and other arms and ammunitions. You can see this bridge was seen prior to my migration in 2007, but more and more pictures and posters are being developed. There is no inhabitation seen on both parts of this bridge, but it was constructed as a heritage or tourist point. There was no futuristic approach and there was no plan of destruction, but assumptions of flashes are always there to defend these kind of tiny projects, which seems beautiful and attract tourists also. Some places are left stranded to prove common people that soil erosion is a normal process which is going on for millions of years, and in fact they are protecting the mountains by providing private tenders to people who will erect long pillars there, and then they will defend more and more deforestation there. So common people like you will never understand what I am talking about. A small temple and car dealership shop is about to arrive. You can see sunset from here. Many car resale or exchange value showrooms are not providing more than 60 to 80,000 for my 2010 environment friendly Chevrolet Beat car, which was a kind of replica containing many parts similar to Daewoo Matiz, which I had sold in 2005 prior to buying Fiat Siena and other cars. You can see Shiv temple is existing here. I'm not sure when it was constructed. I have to cross road those shops. I will try to find World Expo there. This village is known as Nada village, the same place where Guru Gobind Singh Ji met a person known as Nada. He took care of Guruji for 40 days. Then he promised construction of a religious place there. Many construction companies have trespassed these areas and developed many illegal structures during past 4 to 6 months. Otherwise, I couldn't even imagine to take my bicycle on these areas. It supplies water to nearby areas, which is also considered an excuse of developing more and more illegal structures. The area has been engulfed in smoke coming from nearby slum clusters and fast food restaurants. You can see another pedestrian bridge in front of me, which has rarely been used by any person except few forest reserve officials from past 35 years. That is considered as an excuse of environmental destruction. As if it was developed as a futuristic approach, and those plans were already approved around the vicinity, and so the process is still continued as usual. Portion of mountain area is still remaining. So I am giving you another example. These illegal developments and the new road signs which are placed overhead that existing bridge, and there is no magnitude of comparison between the places which are pointing towards right and left compared to the state city. One place is 325 kilometers, other is 2 kilometers, and the next one is 84 kilometers. That might be another challenging attribute of places. So I have reached the polluted Ghaggar river, which is only 1.5 kilometers from my house.